Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Wind Kiss the Moon, chapter 37. So here it is. Let's read the story. Do you know how many people enter our industry every year and how many people change career because they can make it? Show you it's not your fault. Don't punish yourself. You can cry and let out all of your unhappiness and negative emotions. In front of me, it is okay. Now she's trying to comfort her. But for Xiaoyu right now, she become emotional and she was really crying hard. Well, probably it was really sad on her. But the important thing right now, they're really comforting each other, and it really makes sense. Aren't you going to join the group soon? Will it be affected by what you did to him today? Xiaoyu said to her. Well, of course, remembering what happened today, it really makes sense. And that man is the boss. Now Xiaoyu, she got really afraid on what's the boss going to do with them. She was saving time. Well, finally, she really gets Xiaoyu on time, so there's no bad things happening to her. Well, it was good, right? Doesn't matter if I'm affected. At first, I can walk this path again with you. Xiaoyu, I used to speak harshly. Oh, it seems that now she's being considerate. I was too young at the time, and once I achieved some success, I became too carried away, so I said all kinds of hurtful things. Now, she's been sorry for herself, but Xiaoyu said to her, stop talking nonsense. Now, she kissed her gently. Well, the relationship, it is really getting better. Back to our main character. On the other hand, one thing, she seems to be looking tired. She's got two batches, customized customers. Now, she looks really tired. Suddenly, there's someone talking. I was wondering why you didn't reply on my message. Is Boss Tang so busy? So it turns out Shang-Yi, she really visited her. Look at her, it seems that she brings something for her. One thing said to Shang-Yi, why are you here? Well, of course, she really got surprised. I need to send warmth to my girlfriend. I can tell from your behavior that you haven't eaten yet. This is something specialty brought from the private restaurant we had last time. It is still hot. Now, suddenly, there's someone's going to interrupt them. She was knocking on the door. Boss, let's have lunch. But of course, she get gruff. Well, definitely, they will be bothered. The other assistant said, a little more perceptive, Sister Shang is here. Let's eat together when we came. The boss and Shang-Yi is probably what you think. Now, it seems that the employee also knows about the two of them. Well, they really heard it all. The day's lunch and afternoon tea are on my treat. The boss is great. Thank you, boss. And the friendship will last forever. So being less is quite convenient. As long as you don't admit it, you can tell others that you're good friends. My girlfriend, Miss Shang-Yi, you are very free lately. I will be joining the crew after the new year. There will be a script reading for a while. We'll also shoot some promotional materials in addition. I'm only free these few days, so I want to see you more. Shang-Yi said to her, wow, she is really sweet. How can you be a girlfriend like this? You're so passionate. You think I'm too idle. You're happy when I ignore you, right? Shang-Yi said the one thing. Now it seems that one thing, she's getting tricky and she know how to coax people. How can you bear to ignore me? Give me your cell phone. One thing said to her. I pick out a few pairs of slippers for you, as well as a toothbrush, pajamas, etc. You keep the ones you like. I file them for you now. Oh, what's wrong with this? Why bought so many things? What do you mean? Are you inviting me to live together? I should cherish the time I'm spent with you. One thing said to her. Oh, this is really good. At least, the relationship is really getting better. Although right now, looking at one thing, it seems that someone is calling her. Look at her reaction. Well, let's see. Who is it? How dare your studio hire such a designer? Could your boss also be such a silly? When you cooperate with a rival company, bad people should be tied together. Well, that was really tough. One thing said to her, what's going on? Well, she seems to be surprised on what's happening and she don't know what is it. Let's see and find out on what will happen next on the next chapter. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is so open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-fi. Thank you, bye.